Hello, welcome back guys to Amelia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to link in anonymously on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, you just have to go to your application, which is LinkedIn application. And if you wanna make or to view a LinkedIn profile anonymously, you just have to enable it first for the private mode. So if you wanna activate or if you wanna enable the private mode, you just have to go to your profile first here at the top left and go to the settings at the bottom. And after here in the settings page, tap on this visibility. And here at the first option, we'll see the profile viewing options. You just have to tap on it and choose the third option, which is private mode. So if this private mode is already on, other users will not see your name or profile details when you view their profiles. Instead, they will see an anonymous member from an unspecified organizations. So yeah, I think it's enough tutorial from me how to view LinkedIn profile anonymously. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.